so glad, guys, to get this opportunity to do this video just for you guys. Yo guys, today's video is very special, and I'm so happy to do this one, guys, because it's been a long time since I was not recording, but today I finally got the opportunity to record for you guys. Basically, on the Mission Forex YouTube channel, I'm not the one who's uploading, guys, but it's me and the team. So yeah, I also finally got the opportunity to upload. So today's video, guys, it's a very interesting one. It's as you know, guys, I'm dealing with pure price action. That is what I trade, guys. I trade pure price action. Most of the time I scalp and I swing like basically I've been trading for 4 years now, since 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024. Yeah, I've been trading for 4 years now, guys. So I swing, I scalp, and I does all that. So today, guys, I want to reveal to you something that many may not know, that usually occurs when like we are trading price action. As you can see, guys, in front of us, there's a structure. Our structure was basically a bearish trend. I want to talk about the things that you need to know when like you are a swing trader. Maybe you take one trade for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, even for a week. Sometimes it can be a month, the whole month still holding that one trade. So today I want to show you something, guys. Many people used to ask this question. Okay, if we swing, how do we see that the market is about to change direction and go to the opposite direction? As you can see, guys, here we were dealing with a bearish trend, but the market tend to change direction at this point here, all along, coming from this point till down here. It was a bearish trend, but from here it has changed, and now it's changed into a bullish trend. That is what we see here. So guys, as a swing trader, you need to know how to spot when the market is about to change direction and go to the opposite direction, where if it was a bearish like this and then now it wants to go to the opposite side. Okay, guys, without wasting time, let us discuss this, guys. As you know, guys, you already know. If you don't know this one, and that the market deals with, let's say we are talking about a bearish trend now. As we can see in front of us, we are having a bearish trend, and here we tend to engage on an uptrend, guys. From here, you could see that the market was creating lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, all along until it reaches this point where it reaches a hard rock surface, guys, where like it found a support. This was basically a strong support area, and the market tend to change direction. Now I want to show you how you can spot if the market is still going to that direction, which is a continuation, or it's about to change direction to the opposite direction. So guys, as you can see here, the market was creating lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows. Guys, basically so far there are 3 things that you need to know when the market is about to change direction. You need to know these 3 keys of the market changing direction. First, guys, you can see either the market will create let's say the market was moving at a bearish trend. A bearish trend is when the market is moving to the downside. It's when we are selling that market. It's basically a selling market, guys. So when the market is about to change a direction from being a bearish trend into a bullish trend, first thing, number 1, either it will create a double bottom, guys. A double bottom like this here. This was our double this was our first touch and this was our second touch. It might do like this, it might break like this with the after creating that double bottom like this. It can do like this, create a double bottom, and then it breaks our previous higher low, which was this one here. This was our last higher low here. It will break that one, and then number two, either it will create a triple bottom like this, guys. You see, it's basically our first touch here, our second touch here, and then our third touch here, and then it breaks our previous higher low, which was this one, our previous higher low or our latest higher low. It will break it, and then it will push back and make a retracement. We call that a retracement, which is a smaller pushback, which like will seems like the market is continuing to the downside, but it doesn't do that. We find out that it's gonna break out again and go massively to the upside. Number three, if the market doesn't do a triple bottom, it will consolidate. Consolidation, it's something like this, guys. As you can see, the market will consolidate like this. You can obviously spot the zone where the market is consolidating. The market doesn't have really have a movement, but it sticks on consolidating in one place. It will stay in that zone for maybe a week, even 2 weeks. Sometimes it takes just few days, but you can see that the market now it's lacking direction. It shows that the market has finally reached a rock bottom, which is what we call a zone which has this possible impact that the market might bounce back to the opposite direction. Either we'll find a double bottom, either we'll find a triple bottom, or either the market will consolidate, showing that the market can't push further to the downside. It shows that the market has reached a dead line here, at that point, I can put it like that. The market cannot further go to the downside, which is the consolidation where it's formed, or sometimes it forms a double top, a double bottom, I mean, and sometimes it forms a triple bottom. For now, we are still discussing how we see how the market is turned to turn from a bearish trend into a bullish trend. To know whether the market is about to change direction or what, you need to know three main things. That is all that I want to say to you guys today, that you need to know at least these three main things about price action, which is if the market was on a bearish trend like this, it will form a double bottom. Just know that when you tend to see that double bottom, the market might change direction. And again, when you tend to see that the market is forming a triple bottom, just know that the market might change direction. Just know that that is not final. It might. That is why I'm saying it might change direction. It might not, or it might change direction. It might continue to the same direction, or it might go to the opposite direction. So we don't control the market. We just trade what the market gives to us, guys. So if it doesn't show a triple bottom, it will show a consolidation. You can clearly see that the market now is not going any further in any of the direction, whether it's bullish or bearish, but it has stuck on one zone. For our example, this is our zone of consolidation. So guys, for you to understand this clearly, we will go to the real chart, and then from the real chart we will discuss this thing when we see it on the real chart. That is where you will get an idea what exactly is happening and what you should expect when you are swinging a trade, when like you are trading to hold trades for days, for week, for a month even. Without wasting more time, let us jump straight to the real chart. But before we jump to the real chart, guys, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and you like also, guys, and at least comment so that I can know where to improve. What should I explain further? Thank you. Let us go straight to the real charts, guys. This is our real chart, guys. As you can see, I was analyzing this market and we were on a bearish trend, guys. As you can see, let us first, before we look at this bearish trend, guys, look, we were on a bullish trend here, guys. Look, the thing I was telling you about. Look, we were on a bullish trend here. It was a bullish trend. Just look at this trend line, guys. Look at this trend line like this, and like let's add another one. I want to show you this bullish trend I'm talking about. We were on a bullish trend here. A bullish trend, which means we were moving to the upside. The market was buying. You see, this was a bullish trend, guys. Just look at this. You can see it was moving to the upside all the way from down here till up here, guys. Look here, till up here. I want us to focus on something here. Let's remove this, since now you can see which bullish trend we are talking about. Look at this here. Look at how this is impressive. Look what I was telling you, guys. Let's add a resistance here. Just look at this. Let's look at this. Boom. It's a first touch here. It's a first touch here. And then it's a second touch here. What is this, guys? What is this? It's a double top, guys. It's a double top. The market, when the market is about to change direction, either it will create a double bottom or a double top. It will create a triple top or a triple bottom, or either it will consolidate. It will stack on that one zone for a long time, and it won't have a straight movement, but it will consolidate in one area. Just like this, it was a double. It was the first touch here, and then it was the second touch here, and then boom, a double top was created. And then now, guess what? The market was accelerating to the downside. The market was moving to the downside. Look, guys, look at this. Look at this. All the way from the top here till to the bottom here. And another thing, guys, another thing. Look, guys, as like we were creating the lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower low. Guess what? Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. The market came here. This was a triple bottom. Just look at this, guys. This was a triple bottom. A very beautiful triple bottom. And bear in mind, guys, the market will be choppy and like will be a bit disturbing. It won't be clear that it's a triple bottom. But like, look at this, guys. Look at this. This for me, it's a triple bottom. It's a triple bottom like this. Look. This was our first touch here. Look at this, guys. This was our first touch here. This was our first touch, and then this was our second touch, and then this was our third touch like this. Look, it's a beautiful triple bottom. Triple bottom was formed, and then guess what? The market accelerated to the upside. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. Straight to the upside, guys. Straight to the upside. We are back again on a bullish trend. And in order for you to see if the market will change direction here again here, let's add a resistance here. You can't just judge that the market now will start to go down. Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. Either now we will break that resistance, or we will continue to the upside. Wait for a clear confirmation. Like as they say, patience is key on the forex market, guys. If you learn to be patient, just do wait for that confirmation, wait for the market to at least show you something that it's quality, that the market now it's ready to change direction, guys. As we know, now we are around October. The market have been buying the whole year, and then now just imagine this, guys. Just try to make sense of this. The market was buying. It's nearly the end of the year, and next year it's a whole new year. Guess what? The market might tend to change direction, but I'm not saying it will change direction. It might change direction. So I don't say you should be expecting the market to sell, but like wait for something like that. Wait for the market to retrace just a bit. But as we can see, we are still on a bullish trend. I'm still looking for it to buy even more at this point, because yeah, I'm still waiting for the market to buy, but I'll be waiting to see if the market consolidates or it really creates a double bottom, a double top, or it creates a triple top. It's up to the market, and I will continue to take these chances and see if I'm able to make something of these chances. So chances like this, or either it will consolidate and then I can see, okay, the market is about to sell now. But now, if you have entered buys on this market, now you should be expecting the market to change direction. But we are not sure that it's going to change direction. We just anticipate that it might change direction. So far, guys, we have seen two examples. This was the first one, and then this was the second one here. This was the second one here. We can see here. Let's add a resistance here. This was a double bottom here. This was a double bottom. And then, as you can see, this was a triple bottom, but the market was consolidating at the same time, something like that. But it's a triple bottom, this one here. It's a very, very beautiful triple bottom. Or someone else can say the market was consolidating at this level here. At this level here. Okay, guys, let's go back. We go back to our chart. We go back. We want to see the market changing direction again, what it does when it changes direction. Let's go back. Where it's here. You can see here. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. The market formed a double bottom here. Actually, it was a triple bottom here. Look, this was our first touch here. This was our second touch here. And then this was the third touch. Like this. Look. Like this. And then look. The market bought. It went up massively from here to here, all the way up. Although at this point here, from here, it was selling till down here. It was selling, and then boom, it went up. Look here, the market was buying from here. Let's start at least here. The market was buying. But the time it reaches to this point, look, The time it reaches to this point here, exactly here, look here, the market now signalized with the double top. That's the market is about to change direction. And then look what we've got here. We've got a double top like this, boom, a double top like this. And then the market, guess what, it's accelerated to the downside, as you can see, accelerated to the downside, accelerated straight to the downside. So guys, you should expect two things when you are trading the market, and when you are a swing trader, when you want to see if the market is about to change direction or it tends to continue to that direction. But if the market, you think it's about to change direction, just look at these main things, whether it's a double top or a double bottom, or it's a triple top, or it's a triple bottom, or it's consolidation. Consolidation is one and the same thing. It's happened the very same thing, whether the market was on a bearish trend or was on a bullish trend. So I hope guys today's lessons will serve you well. Go and practice this, guys. If you didn't understand, please make sure you comment and say, Prince, we didn't get what you were saying. Please repeat the session for us, and then I will do as you command. Thank you.